Hello, my name is Teacher Fitz. Welcome to our e-classroom. Andam na ba mo sa ato ang lesson karong adlaw? That's great. Okay, now our lesson for today is about triangles. Let's define first triangles. A triangle is a polygon with 3 sides and 3 interior angles. Now, let's draw a triangle. We have here a triangle. So it has 3 sides and it has also 3 interior angles. Okay? So pwede po natong pangalanan ang atuang triangle like this. We have here A, B, or C. You can also name this as triangle ABC, triangle BCA, or pwede ring triangle CANB. Okay? Now, let's move to the next topic. Our next slide. We have here classifications of triangles. The first one is according to sides. Number 1 is isosceles. Isosceles, that is, no sides are congruent or equal in lengths. Now look at the picture. We have here an example of isosceles triangle. Kung makita nimo ang atong triangle, dili sila equal og sides. Okay? So they are different. Dire makita nimo nga naa gyud siya sukod. The line AB, that is equal to 7, and the line BC, that is equal to 12. The line A and C, that is equal to 15, which means the line AB is not equal to line BC, and line BC is not equal to line CA. Okay? So, mao na siya ang isosceles. There is no sides are congruent or equal in lengths. The next one is the isosceles. Isosceles, that is, 2 sides are congruent or equal in lengths. Now, look at the figure. We have here an example. So, natay example of the isosceles triangle. The line AB, which is equal to 5, and the line BC, which is equal to 5. But the line AC is equal to 3, which means the line AB is equal to line BC, and the line BC is not equal to line AC. Okay? And the line AC also is not equal, the line AB is not equal to line AC. So that is the isosceles. There is only 2 sides that congruent or equal in lengths. The third one is equilateral. Equilateral, that is, all sides are congruent or equal in lengths. Now look at the figure. Meron tayong example. Okay? So this is our equilateral. They are the same sides. Kung makikita mo dito, yung line AB is equal to 5 at yung line BC is equal to 5 and the line AC is equal to 5. So all sides are equal or all sides are congruent. Okay? Now, we have here also classifications of triangles according to angles. So ganiha, ang atong discuss is according to sides. So this time is according to angles. Number 1 is acute. So look at the figure. Acute is all interior angles are acute or less than 90 degree. From 15 degree to 90 degree, that is acute angle. Okay? Now, number 2 is right. Right means that is one interior angle is 90 degree. Okay? So kung mapapansin mo dito, meron tayong figure na triangle. So itong angle na ito yung ating 90 degree. Okay? So that is our 90 degree. Then the rest, that is acute. Okay? That is acute. Acute means that is 15 to 90 degree. Okay? That is our acute. So the next one is obtuse. Obtuse, that is one interior angle, is an obtuse angle or greater than 90 degree. Now from 90 degree to 180 degree, that is obtuse. Okay, obtuse angle. Now we have here number 4, that is equiangular. Okay, so ganiha ang atong discuss is equilateral, the same sides. But this time, this is equiangular. So they are the same angles. Okay? So makikita mo dito sa ating figure, yung ating triangle ay magkapareho yung kaniyang angle. They are the same, 60 degree. Okay? Now, if we sum up these angles, or if we sum up these 3 angles, that is equal to 180. Okay? Pag yung angle is hindi umabot ng 180, that means your triangle or your angle is not correct. Always remember that if you sum up the 3 angles, it must be equal to 180 degree. Okay? Now, we have here also the parts of a right triangle. Number 1 is the legs. The legs, that is the sides of a right triangle which is perpendicular. So tanaw na to ang atong figure, natay lines, okay, kaning red line. So that is our legs, because it says there that the right triangle which are perpendicular. Okay? So mao ni siyang linya nga naka-perpendicular. So that is our legs. The next one is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse, that is the side opposite the right angle, and it is the longest side in a right triangle. So natay figure diri nga triangle. So imong tanawon ng atong triangle, the longest line here is this one. That is what we call hypotenuse. So dili ni siya pwedeng mahimong hypotenuse because this is our legs, because they are perpendicular. Okay? So mao ni siya nga tuang hypotenuse, the longest line, or sa the side opposite the right angle. Okay, so we have here the right angle. So the opposite of that is this one. So this is our hypotenuse. So we have here also parts of an isosceles triangle. Number 1 is legs. Okay, remember that isosceles, that is there are 2 lines, or there are 2 lines are congruent or the same measurement. Like say for example this one. Okay, so this is our legs. Okay, the sides of an isosceles triangle which are congruent, so they are the same. So that is our legs. The line AB and line BC, so that is our legs. Line AB and line BC. Next one is our base. Base, that is the third side of an isosceles triangle which is not congruent to the legs. So tanaw nimo sa tong figure, ang kaning duha ka linya is they are congruent. So kani siya wala siya kaparehos. So it means mao na siya ang atoang base. So the line AC, that is our base. Okay? Now, we have here also the base angles. Base angles, that is angles opposite the legs of the isosceles triangle. Okay, so in this figure, mao ni ang atuang legs. Okay, our legs is the line AB and the line BC. So ang ingon diari sa atuang definition nga ang base angles daw is opposite the legs of the isosceles. So natay duha ka legs ani nga figure. So the first one is the line AB. So in front of that one or opposite of that one is our base angles. So ang atoang base angles dari is the angle C. Then naputay isa ka legs which is kaning B or the line B and line C. So opposite of that line is the angle A. So the angle C and the angle A, that is our base angles. Okay? Now, we have here also vertex angles. The vertex angles, that is opposite the base of an isosceles triangle. So look at the figure. So kaning nga figure, ang atoang base ani is kaning line AC. Di ba? Mao na siya ang atoang base. So ingon diari, ang vertex angles daw is opposite the base of an isosceles. So the opposite of the line AC is the angle B. Okay? So the angle B, that is our vertex angles. Okay? Now, class, I want you to prepare a piece of paper and answer this problem. Okay? So classify each figure by its sides and by its angles. Okay, so I'll give you 5 minutes to answer this problem. Okay? See you in 5 minutes. Okay, so class, so time's up. Okay, so let's answer the problem. Okay, so number one, okay, so we have here the figure. Okay, so let's identify or let's classify according by sides. Now look at the picture. Now our figure, okay, so look at this one. We have here AB, line AB, and line AC. So they are not equal. Same as the line AC. So they are not equal. So, okay, we're not equal. So that figure, okay, that figure is what? What is that figure? Okay. Now that figure is, what kind of triangle is that? Very good. That is isosceles. Okay? Because there are no sides are congruent or equal in lengths. Okay? Now in according to angles, okay, in according to angles, we have here the 90-degree. Okay? So that one is right triangle. Okay? That is right triangle. According to side, that is that is isosceles. Okay, let's write here. So that is isosceles. And according to by angles, that is right triangle or right angle. Okay. Now number two. Okay, look at the figure. Now the line DE and the line EF and the line, we have here also the line DF. Okay. So they are equal because the angle 60-degree is equal. Okay. And this one also is 60. Now if the angles are equals, the line also are equals. So which means that is equilateral. Okay, that is equilateral. Okay, equilateral. Now in according by angles, so we have here also the same angles, which is 60-degree. So that one is equiangular. Okay, that is equiangular. Equiangular. Okay, so that is the answer of our problems. Okay, so the next one, so we don't have enough time. Now I want you to copy this one as your homework. So class, we are now done with our lesson for today. It's time to say goodbye for now and hope to see you again next time. Thank you for watching and goodbye. God bless.